Hi everyone. So today in this video we'll be discussing about how can we deploy our React application into Vercel. So before going to start, if you want to know more about Vercel, you can just visit this website vercel.com and get some basic idea of what this website will do and how can we deploy any other application apart from React. So in this video I'll be discussing how can we deploy React application in deployment into this Vercel. So prerequisite is just need to your system must have Node.js and Visual Studio Code and the one Git account with one Git account, and the basic account in Vercel would be suffice for this basic demo. So going ahead, I'll be opening my code in VS Code. Let me open my terminal. So the very basic command to create a React application is npx create React app and the name of the project that you want to give. Let's say I will be giving Vercel React deployment. As soon as you hit enter, it will start generating the packages that are required for our application. So it will take some time. For time being, I'll be pausing the video here and I'll be showing how can we going forward, how can we check do some sanity, and then we will deploy our app into Vercel.
So we have installed our packages that are required for a React application, and then I can see that the application is up and running. And meanwhile, I have also created one repo in the Git, and then I have pushed my React code into here. So the next step is to deploy this code into Vercel. For that, you just need to log in and then try to click on add new project, and if you import your Git repository, it will show all your repos over here, and I'll be importing this, and my project name would be Vercel React Repo Dev. If you want, you can change it as well. For now, I'm keeping as it is, and create React app, and the root would be fine, and everything is fine, and then I'll go for deployment. So the deployment started. It's in queue now. It will check for any build logs and then the deployment summary, and then it will assign some custom domain names as well. So whatever that we have seen the output in the local host, the same thing we can see in the Vercel environment once the deployment is successful. So it is doing all the necessary stuff over here. It's building the application basically, and it is generating all the logs while building the application. So all set, and see, congratulations, you just deployed a new project into Vercel. So I'll be clicking on this so that it will give one URL. See, Vercel React repo dev.vercel.app. This is the URL that that is where our React application is basically deployed. So now what I will do, as I told, we can automate the deployment. So what I'll do, I'll make some changes in the app.js. Let me make the change over here. Deployment successful in Vercel. So I want to see this, then I'm saving it. Would like to push this code. Git commit Latest changes. Okay. Okay. What happened? Git commit. Okay, got it. I have staged, and then we'll commit the same thing out from the UI. Now I have pushed the code. You can see in the Git, you can cross check. I'll just refresh, and so that I should see here one more commit once it is committed over here. Yes, so that there are two commits, and then the latest commit. So this is the latest changes. Have updated this to deployment successful in Vercel. So as soon as we have changed, now it will, you can continue to the dashboard and created just now. See, it is created and status is now to ready, and you can see by refreshing this page, deployment successful in Vercel. So the entry point for this automation is the as soon as we checked in the new code to the GitHub will the entry point for this would be the commit for the GitHub. As soon as our repo will get the new commit, it will detect and then it will initiate the deployment from there. So that is how we can automate the deployment if you can import the code from the GitHub. So that's it. This is how we can do the deployment in Vercel, and thank you.